What's up, folks? I'm back again. Yes, I do have a flashlight pointed at my face because the lighting in here sucks. Don't ask me about it. Today I'm working on my Mazda 2 again. We have the corksport airbox, which I've seen this video done before, but I haven't seen somebody say how it works with the ddmworks short ram intake, which is what I have, because I know it fits, but basically I'm just going to run through it and how it works a little bit better. Yeah, it should be a pretty quick video, pretty easy explanation. People ask about it, I will bow to your demands. Let's get into it. Alright, so according to the packet that I got here, you need a 10mm socket, a 10mm end wrench, and a 3/8 drive ratchet. You gotta pull off the short ram or whatever, you gotta pull that off in order to install this. And then you also have to disconnect the overflow tank and stuff like that on here. Should be pretty easy. It calls for a ½ install time, so it shouldn't be that bad. My engine bay is completely stock aside from the short ram intake. So basically, you're going to be removing this bolt off the overflow tank, and then you're pulling off the filter. You don't have to pull off this whole thing, just the filter. And then I think the hardest part is just actually fitting it in here. I know this will poke out a little bit from the edge. That's the big thing, but it connects right here. You can see right there. And yeah, it should be pretty easy. The very first bolt has already snapped. So watch out for that. I'm gonna keep doing it because I don't really give a damn, but watch out for that. So I got the filter out, but before I get into that, I'm gonna just show you this thing, the tab that goes onto the overflow. They bolted up in here, like right there. I didn't really record it because I was already too pissed at how it is. You're gonna want to try to take it out from this end because this is wider and you can get your hand in better. It's a 10mm, you just pull it out and then you screw it back on. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Now for the test fit on this, I believe should go on something like that. It actually says pretty flush, but I guess I'll find out when it actually goes into the car. So we'll see how that goes. I really need that, I need that bolt. So I'm waiting on my friend to get off work so we can figure it out together. Stay tuned. This is going to work, I promise. Just don't break this bolt because I'm just stupid. I'm literally a brainlet. This is the hoodrat part of the video. I got it all on. The bolt pretty much couldn't get it out. So we drilled through right here and zip tied this so it would stay secure. Still a little, it's actually it's on there pretty good. So yeah, I did have to move this battery terminal because this was getting in the way, but it does clear it. It actually just barely clears it, so it's good to go. I put the ddmworks sticker on it because do have a ddmworks filter on there, and yeah, we're pretty much good to go. Just got to start it up and see how it goes. So yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Your car is gonna run. Probably it's gonna burn a little bit of gas when you start it up, especially if you just installed the intake, because the air ratio is gonna be a little bit different. The car's gotta have a little bit of time to adjust. If you've got a 2012 or newer, I don't know about the 2011s, but like my 2012, I know that you're probably gonna have to take the battery out or wiring or whatever, just because I found it a lot more convenient and it was less of a struggle just to take the whole thing out. Just remember to remove your negative and then your positive. Don't take off just the positive. I know it's tempting, but it's way safer to do it the other way around. But yeah, that should be it for your short ram and then your corksport air intake or airbox for your Mazda 2. So good luck. Have a good one. I'm gonna start right there because it wasn't fully charged, so we got it running, it's good to go. Sorry about the scare.